Get ready to explore 15 groundbreaking vehicles that are shaping the future of transportation. From the rugged Comarth Cross Rider to the futuristic Terrafugia TF-X, these innovations redefine what's possible. Whether it's off-road power, flying cars, or electric marvels, this list has something for everyone. Terrafugia TF-X. The Terrafugia TF-X is an ambitious hybrid electric flying car designed to change the way we travel. It's set to revolutionize personal transportation, offering the freedom to both drive and fly. This futuristic vehicle can carry up to 4 passengers, making it perfect for families or small groups. It boasts an impressive cruise speed of 200 miles per hour and a range of 500 miles, allowing you to travel long distances quickly. One of its most innovative features is its VTOL capability, which stands for vertical takeoff and landing. This means the TF-X can take off and land vertically, needing just a 100-foot space to do so. No runway required. The TF-X is powered by a combination of 2 propellers and electric motors. These are backed by a gasoline combustion engine, giving it versatility for both flying and driving. Whether you're in the air or on the road, it can handle both with ease. Another great feature is its compact design. The TF-X is built to fit into a standard garage, making it as practical as a regular car when you're not flying. And what's more, flying the TF-X will require much less training than a conventional pilot's license. This makes it accessible to more people, opening up the skies for everyday travel. The Terrafugia TF-X is a true game changer, blending the best of driving and flying into one innovative machine. Garmr .003. Introducing the Garmr .003, an off-road beast designed for extreme terrains and rugged adventures. This vehicle is the latest iteration in the Garmr series, known for its durability, power, and versatility. The Garmr .003 features a reinforced chassis and an advanced suspension system. Its large all-terrain tires make it capable of handling the toughest landscapes with ease. Under the hood, this model is equipped with a powerful turbocharged engine. It delivers exceptional torque, allowing it to conquer steep inclines and deep mud pits without struggle. The vehicle also comes with a sophisticated 4-wheel drive system. This system can be adjusted for different terrain types, ensuring optimal performance in sand, snow, and rocky conditions. With the Garmr .003, you're ready to take on any adventure. Bootleggers Pulling Team Custom Truck. The Bootleggers Pulling Team Custom Truck is a true giant among vehicles. Its size and design make it stand out in every sense. This impressive truck is 29.5 meters long. To put that into perspective, if you parked it sideways in a lot, it would take up around 12 parking spaces, each 2.5 meters wide. Such massive dimensions make it more than just a vehicle, it's a masterpiece of engineering and design. The designers didn't stop at functionality. They created a space that goes beyond just transportation. The truck includes areas for resting and sleeping, offering comfort for long journeys. But that's not all, it also features a mini garage. This garage is large enough to store multiple pieces of equipment, such as a tractor and a buggy. The Bootleggers Pulling Team Custom Truck is a marvel of innovation. Its size, versatility, and thoughtful design make it a remarkable creation, perfect for heavy-duty needs and unique adventures. Comarth Cross Rider. The Comarth Cross Rider is an electric utility vehicle built for versatility. Whether you're tackling off-road adventures, managing security patrols, or maintaining rural properties, this vehicle is designed to handle diverse tasks with ease. Its compact dimensions, 3.5 meters in length, 1.3 meters in width, and 1.8 meters in height, make it highly maneuverable in various environments. Despite its small size, the Cross Rider is powerful and efficient. It features an 11 horsepower, 8.09 kilowatts, electric motor, providing ample energy for demanding jobs. The automatic transmission ensures smooth handling, and the gross weight of 1,250 kilograms supports robust utility needs. For safety and control, the vehicle comes equipped with disc brakes and a turning radius of just 3.5 meters, enhancing agility in tight spaces. The spacious cargo area is perfect for transporting tools, equipment, or goods. Powered by an electric motor, the Cross Rider operates quietly and emits no harmful emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice. While specific details about its range and charging are not provided, it is well suited for short to medium-range tasks. In summary, the Comarth Cross Rider offers a practical and sustainable solution for those looking for a reliable utility vehicle. It's compact, efficient, and environmentally friendly, ideal for various applications. Djuk Custom Chopper. The Djuk Custom Chopper is a striking motorcycle built for enthusiasts who value style and performance. This chopper features a long fork, a massive rear wheel, and a distinctive handlebar, hallmarks of classic chopper design. Crafted by skilled specialists in Serbia, these bikes are a testament to meticulous craftsmanship. Each Djuk Custom Chopper is unique, as every model is made to order. The team handles everything from design to assembly and fine-tuning, ensuring a truly personalized ride. Key features include disc brakes on both wheels for reliable stopping power, a comfortable seat for extended rides, and a footrest for added convenience. The Djuk Custom Chopper combines artistry with functionality, making it a standout choice for motorcycle enthusiasts who want a bike tailored to their vision. Evocargo. Germany is facing a significant shortage of truck drivers, with an estimated 100,000 professionals needed. While companies struggle to find drivers, Evocargo offers a unique solution that goes beyond traditional trucking. Evocargo provides not just autonomous vehicles but an entire system designed to optimize transportation. Their solution is perfect for short trips, such as moving goods within a warehouse complex. The vehicles used are compact N1 electric models. These vehicles can travel up to 200 kilometers on a full charge and carry loads of up to 2 tons at a time. They are efficient and can operate 24/7 if necessary, ensuring smooth logistics without interruptions. By switching to Evocargo's system, companies can reduce transportation costs by up to 30%. It's a smart, cost-effective, and sustainable approach to addressing the challenges of modern logistics. Festo Bionic Fin Wave. The Festo Bionic Fin Wave is an incredible underwater robot that mimics the movement of aquatic creatures like cuttlefish and planarians. Two flexible silicone fins create a continuous wave along its body. This unique motion allows the robot to move forward or backward with minimal resistance. It can swim vertically, laterally, and even navigate through pipe networks with ease. Equipped with advanced technology, the Bionic Fin Wave uses a pressure sensor, ultrasonic sensors, and a radio module to interact with its environment. These features enable it to avoid obstacles and collect valuable data during its journey. This innovative robot is more than just a fascinating creation. It's a potential game-changer for industries like process technology, soft robotics, and water and wastewater management. The Bionic Fin Wave is a product of Festo's Bionic Learning Network, which explores new possibilities in automation by studying nature. It's a perfect example of how observing natural phenomena can inspire groundbreaking solutions. SMP Robotics S5.2. The SMP Robotics S5.2 is an advanced, autonomous security robot designed for indoor patrolling and surveillance. It comes equipped with high-definition cameras and powerful sensors. Thanks to its advanced AI algorithms, the S5.2 can navigate complex environments without assistance. This robot can detect and track intruders, making it an effective security tool. If it senses suspicious activity, it activates its built-in alarm system to alert you. The versatility of the S5.2 makes it ideal for securing a wide range of spaces, including offices, warehouses, and commercial properties. While the exact price may vary depending on the retailer and optional upgrades, the S5.2 typically starts at around $2,499. This makes it a cost-effective solution for businesses looking to enhance their security measures. For the most accurate pricing and feature options, it's best to contact SMP Robotics directly to get tailored information based on your specific security needs. Xpeng AeroHT Land Aircraft Carrier. Meet the Xpeng AeroHT Land Aircraft Carrier. This innovative vehicle from the Chinese company Xpeng has been generating buzz among flying car enthusiasts for some time. Initially, Xpeng showcased prototypes that reminded many of the DeLorean from Back to the Future. Now, they are taking orders for this exciting new vehicle, with deliveries expected in 2026. The land aircraft carrier, called AeroHT, is a modular vehicle. It consists of two distinct units. The first unit resembles a six-wheeled Cybertruck. It features all-wheel drive and a hybrid powertrain, blending the best of electric and internal combustion engines. This unit can comfortably seat 5 passengers, making it ideal for family or group travel. The second unit is fully electric and equipped with autopilot capabilities. It is compact and designed to seat just 2 people. This unit is also on track for flight certification, emphasizing its advanced technology and versatility. While the official AeroHT's website hasn't released detailed specifications yet, reports suggest that the wheeled unit can travel approximately 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. In summary, the Xpeng AeroHT's land aircraft carrier is a groundbreaking innovation in transportation. Its modular design and advanced features position it as a potential game-changer in the realm of flying cars. ZAUGG Pipe Monster. The ZAUGG Pipe Monster is a specialized machine designed to perfect snow sealing on ski resort slopes. Its standout feature is a large nozzle crafted by Swiss manufacturers. This nozzle is part of an advanced snowplow mechanism, which tamps the snow and smooths the slopes with precision. The result is an ideal surface for skiing and snowboarding enthusiasts. Made from high-quality, lightweight steel, the nozzle is durable and efficient. It can be easily installed on powerful snow-compacting vehicles, enhancing their functionality. The entire system is controlled from the driver's cab, making operations seamless and user-friendly. The ZAUGG Pipe Monster operates at a working speed of 1,640 to 2,620 feet per hour, ensuring both efficiency and accuracy during snow grooming tasks. This innovative machine is a must-have for ski resorts looking to maintain world-class slopes. Its superior design and performance set it apart as a leader in snow grooming technology. LightSpray, the future of sneaker production. What can you do in 3 minutes? Make coffee, check your emails, or leave a comment online. In the same time, the company On can create a complete sneaker with their revolutionary LightSpray technology. Here's how it works. A robotic arm spins a sneaker preform, complete with a sole, and covers it in a flexible material similar to spider silk. Each pair uses about 1.5 kilometers of this material, and the entire process is done in just 180 seconds. No glue, stitching, or laces required. LightSpray is not only cost-effective but also eco-friendly, reducing waste and cutting down CO2 emissions. Even top athletes are noticing the difference. Kenyan runner Hellen Obiri wore a prototype of these sneakers when she won the Boston Marathon. But you don't need to be a pro to experience this innovation. The Cloudboom Stratus LS sneakers are available for $330, making this cutting-edge technology accessible to everyone. Callboats, a scenic and convenient way to travel. Callboats are small, handy boats designed for quick trips within harbors, cities, or along rivers, especially in areas rich with waterways. They're perfect for avoiding traffic and parking hassles and are usually cheaper than taxis or ride shares. Plus, they provide stunning city views and are eco-friendly with low emissions. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Callboats are best for short distances, rely on good weather, and can get crowded during peak times. Despite these drawbacks, they offer a unique, affordable, and picturesque way to navigate water-filled areas. Just be aware of their limitations before hopping aboard. Microlino 2.0. The Microlino 2.0 is a unique electric vehicle that blends the convenience of a car with the simplicity of a motorbike. It's a product of Swiss-Italian collaboration, designed to make urban transportation more sustainable and efficient. Though small, the Microlino 2.0 stands out with its retro style, inspired by the iconic BMW Isetta. It's a fun and practical choice for city driving, offering a smooth balance of elegance and innovation. Built in Turin, Italy, a city known for its automotive heritage, the Microlino 2.0 combines clever design with functionality. Its compact size and efficient electric power make it the perfect solution for navigating busy city streets. With the Microlino 2.0, you get a modern tribute to classic cars, delivering the best of both worlds in a small yet impressive package. Verge TS Pro. The Verge TS Pro is a cutting-edge electric motorcycle that redefines performance and technology. Manufactured by the innovative company Verge Motorcycles, the TS Pro comes packed with features designed to enhance your riding experience. One of its standout features is the unique hubless rear wheel. This innovative design integrates the motor directly into the wheel, giving the motorcycle a striking look while also improving its efficiency and performance. Powered by a high-capacity battery, the TS Pro offers an impressive range of up to 300 kilometers, or 186 miles, on a single charge. This makes it suitable for both urban commuting and longer journeys. When it comes to performance, the TS Pro does not disappoint. It delivers an astonishing 1,200 Nm of torque, allowing for rapid acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour, or 0 to 62 miles per hour, in just a few seconds. The Verge TS Pro is truly a remarkable electric motorcycle, combining futuristic design with powerful performance for the ultimate ride.